Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new skincare routine series for oily skin people. In today's video, I wanted to show you a heavy skincare routine to do on your Sundays when your skin is very bumpy, textury, and when you have enlarged pores. So it's really focused on to give your skin a fresh start, to have like a smooth, poreless, matte skin at the end. So I have quite a lot of products to show you, and also it will be a series because I love to talk about skincare, and my next video will be my nighttime routine that is focused on the hydration of the skin, because when we have oily skin, the hydration of the skin is very, very important. So, yeah. So, to start, if you have seen my other video on skincare, you already know the products, but it's the one I'm gonna use. It's the Kaine Rosemary Relief Cleanser. It's a great product to use, especially if you have acne-prone skin. And it's suitable for any skin. And yeah, so this is a very fresh, nice cleanser to use, so I'm gonna use that now. I'm using this tool to cleanse my face more thoroughly. It's something that I bought like 5 years ago, and I'm gonna replace it because it's broken, but it still works. But here it's broken, you see. Like I actually bought like a mechanic, like just like something that has no battery, and I got it on YesStyle, and I will show you guys in my next video because I haven't received my order yet. Okay guys, so I cleansed my face, if you want to see my pores, yeah. So next, it's been a while, and as you can see, I didn't use it very much, but I'm gonna use the Also Supermenting Sebum Softener. That works very well actually. I just forgot every time to use this stuff. But today is the day, so I'm going to use it, and I'm gonna use the pad, the cotton pad for toner, but I mean, we don't care. I'm gonna use this to place on my nose and on my, a bit here, yeah. So you do that, so you can't lose the actual cap, because you just have to do this, and then so it's extremely watery. So I put it here, and I'm gonna put the second one like this. It's not very even, but we don't really care. I mean, at this point, yeah. So that looks very messy. Okay, so I put the pads like this. It doesn't look nicely done, but I mean, the only thing we wanted to do is to remove the sebum, so we don't actually care. So I think it has to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. So I will be back. Okay guys, it's been 15 minutes because I checked, and it was actually 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna use the ISO tool to remove the sebum, and yeah, so it's like this, and you actually have to buy it additionally to the other which I think is a shame because without this, like, there is no proper tool you can have to remove your sebum. So yeah, so I'm gonna remove it now. And I don't know if you can see, but there is like all those things. I think it's the sebum because when you put it on, you don't have any white things showing. So yeah, so I actually do like this, and yeah. Okay, so if you want to see, that's very gross, but yeah, just have to show you the actual facts. So after you rub the thing against your skin, you have to obviously clean it, but put lukewarm water on your face. So my skin is wet still, and I'm gonna use now the Skinfood black sugar perfect and essential scrub 2 times. So it's the 2 times one. I think it's because the the crystal, the sugar crystal, are thinner. It's less big, and yeah, and this one is really great. I love it. It gives your skin a smooth, and also I don't know why, but it actually helps with pores. So it's like this, and I'm gonna rub it right now, and it's really nice to use. I love it. And then I wet my hands, and I'm going to finish rubbing it. Okay, so yeah, you can see it became milky, and now I'm going to rinse it off. Okay, next step, guys, it's the Medicube step. I'm going to use it on the air shot mode to make the pore looks less large. So I'm going to do level 2, and what you do is that you have to put it on a particular angle and just, you know, rub it like this. Also remember, it's very important to do this step before any other step after you cleanse your face. If you applied your toner, you can't do it. So yeah. Next, for my toner, if you've seen my other video, I'm gonna use this one. It's the Fully Green Tomato Toner. It's very lightweight, hydrating, and it's gonna help shrink the pores. So yeah, guys, my skin is already feeling so fucking great. My next step is going to be this acorn peptide, pore peptide daily mask from the Skinfood brand. It's actually the only daily mask that I tried that I love. So you leave it. You can leave it for more than 5 minutes. You can leave it for 1 minute because it's daily mask, and it is made so you can just leave it for a couple of minutes only. Okay, guys, it's been I don't know how much, but it's been enough. So after that, I just massage my face in circles. Wow, my skin is so... Guys, my skin feels so fucking smooth. You don't even know how much. I've been into skincare since I was actually 11, because at 11 years old, I already had acne. So yeah, it's been a long ass journey of me trying to understand how oily skins work, especially when you have acne. I don't have, like, I have hormonal acne now, so it's fine, but yeah. next step, guys, it's gonna be the my tocobo eye cream that I've been using since a month, and it's great. So I'm very happy. It's like a gel type of eye cream, so it's more of an eye gel, but it's very hydrating because I have very dry under eyes. So after the eye cream, I'm going to use my numbuzin number 1 Planté Tonic B5 Active Soothing Cream that you already know if you watch my other one. And yeah, it's also like a gel type of cream. It's super hydrating and it controls the sebum throughout the day, so it's just the perfect cream. And I actually ordered the Dr. G one that everybody used to talk about, but I've never tried it. So I'm gonna be able to see which one is the best, and I will give you guys my my thoughts on this. The next step, if I was going to go out of my house, would be to use the Tocobo Cotton Sun Stick one, but I'm not going to because I'm not going out. And it's like this. And so I bought it just before going to China, and I've been using this for 2 weeks straight every day, and I can now say that I found my new Sunstick Holy Grail. This is the best. No sebum problem, and it was super hot in China when I was there. So yeah, this is a... If you haven't tried this one and you need like a nice sun cream or sun stick, this one is great. I mean, Tocobo products are just so great. Okay guys, I'm done with my skincare today. My skin feels so fucking smooth. I'm so fucking happy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can put it down in the comment section. And if you have any requests or any thoughts, I will be happy to exchange with you guys. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye!